Welcome children. Let us see some important properties. We already noted that n of a is less than or equal to n of p of a. If n of a equal to m, then the number of subsets of a set A is n of a equal to 2 power m. The number of proper subsets of a set A is n of p of a minus 1, that is equal to 2 power m minus 1. This is the formula. This is the formula for finding the number of subsets 2 power m. This is the formula for finding the number of proper subsets 2 power m minus 1. Are you clear? Find the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets of a set x equal to a, b, c, x, y, z. Let us see the solution. Okay, given term we have written here. Then n of x equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. So n of x equal to 6. The number of subsets equal to n of p of x equal to 2 power m, we have seen. So 2 power m, so 2 power 6, m equal to 6, so 2 power 6 equal to 64. Next, the number of proper subsets equal to n of p of x minus 1, that is equal to 2 power 6 minus 1. 2 power 6 value 64. How? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times we must multiply the number 2. So 64 here and there. So 64 minus 1. Next 63. Let us see exercise 1.2. Find the cardinal number of the following sets. What is the meaning of cardinal numbers? The number of elements of a set. Here see, this set contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. So n of m equal to 6. Next, third subdivision. Q equal to y such that y equal to 4 by 3n. N belongs to capital N, and 2 less than n less than or equal to 5. This n means we know the set of all natural numbers, but we should not take all the numbers because some more condition. 2 less than n less than or equal to 5. 2 less than n, so simply less than, so we should not take 2. Here less than or equal to, so we must take 5. So 3, 4, 5. Let us see the solution. N equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, natural set of all natural numbers, and small n 3, 4, 5. When we apply n equal to 3 in this y equal to 4 by 3n, we will get 4 by 9. Let us see here, n equal to 3, y equal to 4 by 3 into 3, that is equal to 4 by 9. If n is equal to 4, y equal to 4 by 3 into 4, that is equal to 4 by 12. If n equal to 5, y equal to 4 by 3 into 5, that is equal to 4 by 15. So q equal to 4 by 9, 4 by 12, 4 by 15. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. 3. So n of q equal to 3. Are you clear? Let us see next. S equal to the set of all leap years between 1882 and 1906. We have discussed already in last year about the leap year and non-leap year. Leap years and non-leap years we have discussed already in 8th standard. Here I give only one clue. Leap year will be divided by 4. Leap years will be divided by 4. Let us see the solution. S equal to 1884, 1888, 1892, 1896, 1904. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of S equal to 5. Are you clear? Next, second question. Identify the following sets as finite or infinite. First subdivision, X equal to the set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. Can we count the districts in Tamil Nadu? We can count. So, finite set. Next, subdivision 3. A equal to X such that X belongs to Z integer and X less than 5. Let us see the solution. Less than 5. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. So infinite set we cannot count. So infinite set. Are you clear? Question number 3. Which of the following sets are equivalent or unequal or equal sets? Equivalent or unequal or equivalent equal sets. First subdivision, A equal to the set of vowels in English alphabets. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. B equal to the set of all letters in the word vowel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V, O, W, E, L. 5 letters. So set A equal to A, E, I, O, U. Set of all vowels in English alphabets. Set of all vowels in English alphabets. And B equal to the set of all letters in the word vowel. V, O, W, E, L. The set A and the set B contains the same number of elements. Say here 5 elements, here also 5 elements. So equivalent sets. Next, third subdivision, X equal to X such that X is a letter in the word life. L-I-F-E, totally 4 letters. Y equal to F-I-L-E, here also 4 letters. Okay, here also 4, there also 4. Next, let us check each letter. L is here also L, and I is here and there, F is here and there, and E is here and there. Let us see the solution. X equal to L-I-F-E, Y equal to F-I-L-E. The sets X and Y contain the exactly the same elements. So equal sets. Are you clear? Okay children, see you on next class. Bye.